This is today's Latin phrase. Let's look at the way it's pronounced, what it means, and how it can be used. Pronunciation: CADIT QUAESTIO. CADIT QUAESTIO. It means the case is finished, the dispute has been resolved, the issue doesn't exist any longer because it has been resolved or dropped, and it will not be re-agitated. In simple English, it means no issues, no problem, it's okay, go right ahead. For example, if it has been resolved that B is the son of A, then at the time of drafting the will, it cannot be contested that B is not A's legitimate son. So legally you'll say, if it has been resolved that B is the son of A, then CADIT QUAESTIO. At the time of drafting the will, it cannot be contested that B is not A's legitimate son. Let's look at a few sentences to know how it's used practically, both in law and otherwise. In law, if the rights of the income tax authorities are unaffected by the scheme of distribution of assets in a liquidation, then CADIT QUAESTIO. However, if the rights are subordinated, the court can allow the IT officer to continue the recovery proceedings. Wow! What this means is, if the income tax authority's rights are not hurt, it's okay. CADIT QUAESTIO. There is no case. Go right ahead. Otherwise, the court can allow the income tax authorities to recover their dues. Let's look at another example. The court will look at the facts of the case to decide on an injunction. It'll consider whether it is right that the applicant should suffer while his rights are being investigated. If he has no rights, CADIT QUAESTIO. It means the court will not issue an injunction. Otherwise, the applicant will get the injunction. A third one. If the insolvent is not aggrieved by an order of the insolvency court, CADIT QUAESTIO. But if he is, he gets a right to apply for relief. Let's look at how it can be used in general English also, in our regular everyday English. The boss says, "Okay, I'll accept your apology for the last time. If you stop turning up late for work, CADIT QUAESTIO. Otherwise, I'll have to ask you to leave." Wife can tell her husband, "If you stop your affair with the neighbor's wife, CADIT QUAESTIO. Otherwise, I'll divorce you." It's your decision. Here's another one. The customer can say, "If you replace this laptop immediately, CADIT QUAESTIO. Otherwise, I'll see you in court." CADIT QUAESTIO. Can you use this in any situation that you know? Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.